Okay, so it's day 3 now, and we're not talking about me building 3 days this budget build, but I wanted to extend this YouTube, let's say, journey, because it's supposed to be a long video if it was one, but as you can see, everything is here unpacked and ready to be put in the case. So I'm going to show you how to cable manage, how to put your cables in the right compartments, and how to place all the components as they should be in proper way. So let's get to work. So first things first, I'm going to place the power supply here because we have an old case and I want to put it the first because I'm going to place the cables all around here. So as you can see, I removed the other side of the case, the other side panel, and let's do it. Now, all the cables are going to be placed here in this hole. So they go from the behind of the motherboard, and you will see why. You can see now there aren't any cables right here that can be seen. So let's put the motherboard in. So okay guys, this was Cable Management 101 with Dario from PC Crazy, and you've seen how to connect everything and to cable management, the case, and as you can see, no cables are seen that aren't supposed to be here, and that's all there is to it. And it's going to be for, as I said before, low to medium detail gaming. It actually looks quite nice, apart from this Intel stock cooler. It has all the same colors on the graphic card as it has on the motherboard, and that is really awesome. People will actually like it a lot since it looks kind of cool, and apart from these parts here, it's 420 euros, which is really acceptable price, and for low medium gaming and for all the other stuff, because actually it has a lot of RAM and you could do internet, office, or whatever you like and whatever you want. It has 1 terabyte of hard drive. It has a nice graphic card which isn't that strong, but it's quite alright, and that's about it guys. So thanks for watching again another video with Dario from PC Crazy, and I'll see you next time. Until then, subscribe and like the video, and hope you like it.